Hi guys, hey, how are you? So basically, what I want to say was today is keep your things tidy, keep things clean. You know what I mean? Move everything together to where you're basically, you know, um, keep your room clean. You know, make your bed, yeah, but that's that's part of doing that. But make it a routine to like clean up after yourself and make things clean and um, basically have things in your life and then you're organized. You want to stay organized because organization equals monetization. Basically, you can't put old wineskin in new. You can't put old wine in new wineskin or new wine in old wineskin. I mean, whatever it is, to where it's like a teacup. It's like if you have tea in a teacup, you can't put anything else in that. So therefore you'd have to pour out the tea to actually put anything else in there. So you want to keep things straight in your life. You want to make sure things are, well put together, stay on top of your stuff. Um, Always organize, you know what I mean? Organize and stay clean. Organization equals monetization, you know what I mean? If you stay organized, you can monetize. Basically, you know, it's like stay on top of your stuff, you know what I mean? And, whether you have to turn the TV off, turn the radio on, whatever, do something to where, you're staying on top of your stuff and, get a good night's rest. If you got to, do what you got to do. All right. And I'm going to come back to you with more information on what else to do in life coming up in the next few videos. Don't forget to check out Motivational Gregory's shop page. Just check out Motivational Gregory. Go to the shop page. Yeah, man, it's just like, you clean up and you feel better. You know what I mean? And you can have the stuff that you want to use once you clean it off and clean it up. You know what I mean? So, and therefore, you could use it and you could, and you could replace, well, you could just do whatever, you know what I mean? Have it to sell, whatever. So, or just whatever it is, whatever it may be. So, besides that, check out Motivational Gregory's shop page. I have all my products very cheap. Just type in Motivational Gregory in Google and look at the shop page on my website, motivationalgregory.com. The blog feeds where all my free content is. If you want to post blogs on there or any other website of mine, sign up in the register page. I'll make you a contributor or author. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share if you like my content. Yeah, man. And, all right, guys. Well, just keep up with your stuff, you know what I mean? And everything's going to be all right. Think positive. Think to yourself. Think, say, and feel positive. Because that'll manifest. Say, think, feel positive. And that everything's going to be all right. And that you're going to be all right. That you're healthy, wealthy, wise in relationships. And you will be. All right. I love y'all. I respect y'all. God bless. Take it easy. All right. Later. Bye.